Hi everybody, it's Laura with the Pain Cure Clinic, and this week we are on location in beautiful Tucson, Arizona, where John, myself, and our 14-year-old pug Max have come for a little rest and relaxation. You know, we get a lot of objections when we talk about vacation as a relaxation tool based on time, money, and lots of situations. And believe me, we have all of those too. In fact, our pug is not able to walk, so we have a pet stroller, and we're just really modifying and making do, going on trails where we can manage the stroller, eating in outside patios, and just doing whatever we have to do to kind of practice what we preach. So we're just here to tell you that getting away is important and you can find a way to do it.
Our road trip to Arizona is a great example of what we call creative vacationing. It was a brutal winter in Colorado, so we wanted to go someplace warm and just relax. We couldn't fly this time because we needed to take our senior pug, Max, along with us. So we found the closest warm weather destination that we could drive to, which is Tucson. And it was great. Getting away from your daily grind, slowing your mind down, and thinking about as little as possible is the absolute best medicine. In fact, it's quite common for people who suffer from chronic pain to be pain-free while on vacation. Interesting. We didn't have a Four Seasons budget this year and needed pet-friendly lodging. So we stayed at this cool, renovated 50s era motel that specialized in coffee, beer, wine, and art, and had a pool and palm trees. What else do you really need to relax? Nothing.
So there's always going to be a million reasons not to take vacation, but you've got to put all of that aside and just do it. Your body will thank you for it. See you next time.